Hi guys, it's Marty here, and in this video we're going to be covering how to add clickable links on WordPress. This way we can link the other content and websites from within our pages and posts. So to get started, we just need to visit the page or post we're wanting to add or link to, and then click Edit at the top to open it up in the editor. Now we need to find the text we're wanting to turn into a link, or we can type some if we haven't already. Then we're going to highlight the link text, and then click this little chain link icon in the menu above it. And that's going to open up this pop-up. Now we can paste the URL we're wanting to link to into this box, and then click the enter icon to the right to link it. Or if we're linking to a page or post on our own domain name, we can just start typing the page name into this box. Then when it shows up in this list, we can click on it to add the URL. And as we can see, when we add a link, it changes the color of the text in the editor. Now, if we're linking to another website, we're going to want it to open in a new tab. So to do this, we just need to click on the link to select it. Then we're going to click this pencil icon, click into Advanced, and check the box beside Open in New Tab. And then if we click Save, this link will now open in a new tab. Then once we're done, we just need to click Save in the top right to save our changes. And now when we visit the page or post, we can see that the link text is a different color. And when we click on it, we'll see that it now links to whatever URL we used. Mine opened in a new tab as I checked that box, but if you didn't, yours will open in the same tab. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to add links on WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Also, be sure to leave any suggestions for tutorials you'd like to see from this channel in the comments below. Once again, my name's Marty, and thank you very much for watching.